Hello friends, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to show you Samsung U-Flex headphones. This is a Bluetooth headphones and it has a neck rest here. You can put it as, you can also tell it as a neck phones also. You can put it on the neck and these two goes to your ears. This is totally wireless. You have buttons here to control your music and receive calls. As it is mentioned here, listen to your music in superior comfort. I will be checking out the quality of sound and everything. I'll let you know later on. First of all, we'll check it out. It is the packaging of October 2018. Manufactured by Samsung at Vietnam. This guy is totally sealed up. So, what more is mentioned here? Let's check this out. So here it is mentioned flexible bendable neck band, best in class two-way speakers, stable Bluetooth over interference. Wow, I think it has a good quality of Bluetooth here, and I have got the color of blue here. So I'm unable to wait anymore. Let's open this up, my friends. So here we go. Here we go. So we are done here. It opens right away. Wow, this is the earphones. Let's keep this aside and look here, friends. Directly we have the information here how to use it. Short press, you get long press, volume up, volume down, play pause, features setup on level app. Okay, you need to install a level app to get the features. Long press, previous song, next song. Okay, and the features button might be inactive depending on the connected device or application. Bixby voice with selected Samsung mobiles, for example, SAS8 and asset customers are advised to check in their segments of Bixby voice. Okay, voice features. Okay, you need to have a Bixby feature too. So Samsung, this is not good. You should get the support for Google Assistant rather than giving it to Bixby. And I know Bixby is very, very, very good, as Samsung says, not in my knowledge. So we need to open this up. What we get here? Okay, this is a box filled with some extra earbuds. Yes, this is some extra earbuds, small and large. So we will keep this aside here. So we get a USB A to micro USB cable. As you can see here, this is a micro USB. I'm not going to open this micro USB. No more USB. Let's check this out. Quick start guide. Wow, we have already started. And last but not the least, the headphones. I don't know how to remove this. I think here is the place to take it up. It's kind of really tight here. Okay, so the headphones is coming up now. Okay, this is a bit tight in here. Okay, this has a magnetic feature here, friends. This is a good thing. So first of all, we check. We have the microphone here. We do have another microphone here. So I think one is for the noise cancellation. We have the charging port here, and as mentioned, it is highly flexible, so you can bend it like anything. It will not happen anything. So let's check this out, what we have in other cases. So let me open this up. not getting any tab here. So let's start it up first. I'm unable to stay anymore. Let's click it away. So there is no LED notifications anywhere here. So how will we know that it started? I need to put this on my ear. Let me check it out, friends. So here we go, friends. I have opened the seal up. As you can see, this is the button that has a play pause button. You have the volume rocker here, volume down, volume up. You have this is, I think, the Bixby button that we will never use. I need to check the guide too, because this is a lot of confusing here. And you know what, friends, this is not the power button, not even this. Samsung has changed it here. It has the power button here. You need to switch it on like this, and this is on, and it is now in a pairing mode. When you click it in this way, it will start to reset the device. So after the red button, it is already resetted. So now it is in a pairing mode. I will bring up my Samsung phone here. Let me switch on the Bluetooth here. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of Bluetooth devices. I don't know how many Bluetooth devices. Oh my god, Samsung UFlex. And I do have another Bluetooth device. Which one should I connect? I think this is the one I should connect. Pairing with the device. Oh, they have copied. No, I need to install this app. Samsung Level app. So you need to install this Samsung Level app to configure this headphone, and it's downloading. In the meanwhile, let me play some songs and tell you how the sound quality is. So my friends, I have already installed the app here. As you can see, this is the Samsung UFlex app. This is called as the Samsung Level app, and presently I was hearing some songs here, and I found out the quality of songs is very nice. The speaker is very nice as compared to my Apple iPods. The bass is very low as compared to that, because I'm checking out with a very nice song from Michael Jackson. But this Level app is very helpful, because you can use this app to lower the volume directly from the phone rather than clicking the tactile button on your headphones. So it's a good thing. Also, you are able to see the battery of your headphones here. It's a good thing, but rather than like other phones or like on our like the OnePlus phones, you get the battery of your Bluetooth device here, and here we are not able to see that. Let's go to the details, and yes, here we are able to see in the details, but it's not showing up on the status bar. I don't know why. You can also rename your device. That's it. So this is what I feel the Samsung Level UFlex device, and if you want, you can go ahead and buy it. This blue color, it looks very nice, and it matches my phone too. As you can see here, this color matches to this phone. That's why I bought the blue color. It is available in black, blue and white. So thank you for watching, my friends. If you need anything about this device, if you want to know more, you can comment on the below and ask me. I will be very helpful to help you out. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.